Hey, this is Rob. Welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool material right here, and basically what this is an Air Mattress. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. And for the Air Mattress that we got, it is a queen size, but I do have this available in a twin size. So if you guys want a smaller one, you guys can go for a twin size instead. When you guys turn around to the side right here, they probably got some specs and features that's on here. So they mentioned how the product has a 4-minute fast inflation and deflation. It also has like a non-slip material in the bottom to prevent it from moving around. They probably got a very convenient carrying bag, so that way you can bring it with you guys almost anywhere, especially if you guys want to use it for camping. And it also has 2 built-in electric pump inside to actually inflate and deflate the actual air mattress. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So like I mentioned earlier, they do provide guys a bag to carry the actual air mattress inside, but let's take it out first. So you can see on the bag right here, they do have the brand logo. And for the bag that they provide for you guys, it is pretty big. But once you guys open up, you can see the air mattress inside, so let's take off this bag as well. Alright, so when you guys take it out, right here we do have the air mattress. And right here they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And they provide guys a little tape or sticker right here for you guys to tape it anywhere that has like a hole or puncture, if it does puncture. But for the air mattress, they do mention how it actually has a puncture resistant on here. So that is everything that's included in the package. Let me actually fully open this to show you guys what the product looks like once you guys open it up. Alright, so once you guys fully open it, this is what the air mattress looks like. So you can see on the other side right here, we do have the brand logo. But for this side right here is where you can plug in like the cable and everything to activate it. So I'm actually bring it over to show you guys a close-up point of view of what the actual product looks like on this side. Alright, so you can see this is what the product looks like. So they provide you guys a manual option right here if you guys want to blow it in, or you can deflate it right here as well. And then for this side right here, we do have the cable inside. So if you guys open it, you can see we do have the cable inside right there. So I'm going to take out the cable and plug it in to activate it if you guys want to use the automatic pump option. And right here we have 2 of the switch you guys want to use to inflate or deflate it. And it's actually really cool how they provide guys 2 of them, so that way it actually inflates or deflates much faster. So that is what this part looks like right here. In terms of the bottom part here, they mentioned how it has like the non-slip material on the bottom. So when you guys do set it up and start using it, it shouldn't move around. So that is everything that's on the part right here. Let me actually plug it in to show you guys how to inflate it and deflate it, and also show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys do hop on. So I'm gonna take out the cable right here first. Alright, so once you guys take out the cable, you guys want to plug it in. So the cable that they provide for you guys, it is kind of short, if you can see how I actually struggle right here. But once you guys have it plugged in, you guys can turn the knob onto inflate for both of the switches. So we guys turn it up. Alright, so that should be good. So you can see it didn't take that long. It took roughly around like 3 or 4 minutes to fully inflate it. But definitely give you guys a pretty good coverage on here. And in terms of the air mattress that we got right here, like I mentioned earlier, is a queen size. So if you guys do want a smaller one, they do have a twin size available. But you can see the one that we have right here is pretty tall. This one is actually 18 inches from the top to bottom. Let me actually turn around to the other side to show you guys what the other side looks like with the brand logo. Alright, so once you turn around to this side, this is what the product looks like. So we do have the brand logo in the front, but let's hop on and test it out to see how it feels. Alright, so once you guys do hop on, it actually feels pretty nice. It has a pretty good cushion or support on here, but I'm actually fully laid down on here to see how it feels. So once you guys lay it down on here, it actually feels pretty nice. You can see, actually give you guys a pretty good coverage from top to bottom. And obviously when you guys do get like the air mattress, whether it's from this brand or another brand, they always have like an air mattress smell that's on here. You guys can tell what I mean once you guys open it up. But definitely once you guys hop on, it definitely feels pretty comfortable. And you do have the option to put like a bed sheet cover on top if you guys want to, or you can just sleep on top of this right here. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully inflate it. Now let me just do a quick waterproof test to see whether or not the actual material on here is actually waterproof. Alright, so right here we have the bowl of water. Let's pour some water on here and see what happens. So when you guys pour on top, the water right here actually submerges. But when you guys pour on the side, the outer layer right here is actually waterproof, but top layer is not. So when they mention how the product is actually waterproof, it's the side right here and not on top part. So if you guys do end up getting water on here, you probably don't want to get too much water on here because it will submerge. So that is a quick little waterproof test to show you guys whether or not the actual product is waterproof. Now let me deflate it to show you guys how fast it deflates and how to actually deflate it. So the way how you guys deflate it is actually very easy. Instead of turning both knobs up, you just want to turn it down, where it actually says deflate on the actual switch. Alright, so you see it's all done. So it took roughly around 3 to 4 minutes to actually fully deflate it as well. And then once you guys fully deflate it, you guys can fold it back up and put it into the bag. Alright, so we got the cable back in. Let's fold it back up. Alright, so once you guys put it back in the bag, then you guys are all set. So you can see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. It's actually really easy and really quick. But that is everything that's on the product here. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this air mattress, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality air mattress that has the same design that's on here, where it gives you guys the manual pump option where you can use a mouth to blow it in, or you can use the electric option to do it automatically for you guys. And also if you guys want the option where the product is actually waterproof on the side and not so much on the top, but you definitely get that soft kind of feeling or material on top. So if you guys want everything that I mentioned and so much more, then I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one, or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.